Okay, right, we're off. Welcome to episode 2 of Game 1 Squares. We are going to try and add collision detection. I'm looking at the YouTube streaming screen and I'm getting red. Are we streaming? Who knows? I'll give it a second to sort itself out. Apparently we are live now, according to one page. I'm hoping there's sound. There should be sound. OBS is telling me there's sound. Maybe there's not. Maybe there is. Right, where were we? The game, which needs an introduction. If I can remember how to run it in the C line. Oh god, it looks like Space Invaders. Here we go. We clamped the screen. Look at that. We are allowing it to go off. So we're going to clamp the mouse X and mouse Y and stop printing them out because that's annoying. The idea of the game is you're going to be a little green square and you've got to dodge the red squares for as long as possible. Every time you get hit, your energy will go down, maybe based on the size of the square that you've just hit. The little square will disappear, and then you will you have a timer, and how long you survive is your score. I thought I was rubbing the screen because I thought I had a little star field in the background. It was dust on my monitor. I didn't recall that. Right, first of all, let's clamp. Zooming a little bit, if you can see. Clamp these guys. So, what do we want to say? mx equals clamp to screen. So let's clamp nx. We want him to be min of 0 and a max of screen x. Okay. Duplicate y and y. Minus. How big is our little 20? No. Int player size equals 20. Excuse me. Let's do. Where are you? Down here somewhere? No screen X, but we know how to get that because we've done it 15 million times. Now I could what about a typer? Okay, finally we don't have a clamp. We're dealing with ints, so we won't worry about templating or anything at the moment. Int clamp int val int min int whoops max return val less than min. Otherwise, val greater than max. Otherwise, val. Doesn't Doesn't that look like that's going to work? Okay, let's format it and see what it does. Oh, that's pretty nice. I'm just playing with the formatting. Nope, that's fine. Okay, so less than min, we return min, more than max, we return max, and otherwise we return val. Let's try that. See, we now can't get our guy. Ooh, look at that. I can't get off that diagonal. I've done something wrong. Screen X, screen Y. Here he is. Didn't change the X to a Y. Here we go. So now you can move to your hard content. It did occur to me that I should think about creating a little repo for this game. If you can get access to the messy code. I'll do that not today, nor tomorrow, sometime soon, when I finish it maybe. Finishing is the goal. Right, what next? Collisions. Well, you know what? These need to be squares again because I want to make the player the same object as the baddies. SQU a square. So that worked. God, given the amount of code we're combining, it shouldn't be taking that long. Okay. Right, so what we want to do, we want to make a player. SQL player equals dot x equals 0. Actually, let's start with 200. Dot y equals 200, or her. Dot lie equals true. Dot. It's good enough for me. Size equals player size, and is that width? If that will work. Complain at me, missing initializer. Oh, God. One of the joys of C++. Vx0 vy equals 0. And you have them in the right order. You have them in the right order. This is important. Unused variable. Cool. We are refactoring. Well, let's create baddie if needed. What don't you like about that? Ah, of course. Baddies. Have we got the baddies at the moment? Yes, I'm sure we have. Oh, come on. Okay. not integers. Goodness me, if feline column editing, this would be so easy. Oh, it does. I just didn't do it. Never mind. Right, let's see what's happening. Oh yeah, now you can see, but we didn't get a... Oops, debug takes ages. Interesting. Did not like 200. I think we can do SDL. Warp. Mouse in window. Layer.x. Layer.y. And we need a x render. Is that right? Oh, we want the window. There you go. So that should. You need to do that before you do the get mouse state, I suspect. Right, let's do it up here. See if that works. So what I'm trying to do is get the mouse in the middle. That didn't work either. I wonder why that didn't work. Why don't we read the doc on this? I'm quite sure we're really successfully streaming really well at the moment. It's 10:39. Seems like it should do what it says. Engine's been initialized. Okay. See if that does it. Oh. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is set it to 200 and not use the get mask state, but use the soup case SDL mouse motion e dot motion dot guessing XML. If you're watching my previous streams on writing a compiler, interpreter, not a compiler, the number of times I forget the break statement is amazing. Oh dear. should complain about types. False or implicit. Oh, so it does. I'm just talking about that. Relative is clearly not the one I wanted, and I clearly forgot the y there as well. It must be relative to the original position. Clearly was the one I wanted. Oops. But we need a plus equals, so we're adding them on. Go, and guy moves around. We centered him, roughly, and he is doing his thing. Right, where are we going now? Let's delete some code. Quite convinced that clamp is right. I think it should probably be thinking about floats. Let's go change that. Just want to do in the selection. Go. I've got a feeling that's now going to no. Bit way of this. Right, happy with that. Why have we just done all this? Well, if we get the same objects, we can, in our update, so where are we? Draw the baddies, update the baddies, create baddie if needed. In here we can do auto baddies if collide. Okay. Bad things happen, but first of all, baddie dot alive equals false. That's all we really want to do. I wonder if we can create new function collide square square. Okay. UI player. Why is that not a reference? We should find out. Well, we will reduce your energy, Mr. Player. If so, this is really a rectangle collision. Just we don't have a rectangle, so we will just do it old school way. Seeing the best way to structure this. Could just write it all out. Could do with a between. One player dot x baddie dot x baddie dot x plus baddie dot size, and if you excuse me for a moment, Ooh. We're going to do that in another place. We're going to do it with Y's. That's not all though. There's a... Oh, that one is better duplication. Thinking about it. The... Nah, let's not too worry about it too much. Or W. Actually, I was going to say inclusive, but this is probably going to be enough. Go. We've just got to create the between function now. Well, between is pretty easy to do, but let's try using the tools. Create a function, float. We'll fix that up in a second. Oh, that means you declare. Oh, you declared it. Don't have declared. What are you doing? Just put it above. When you're checking the edges, so if somehow the player manages to get inside the here they are. How useful, I really wanted those four declared. Did I just delete the things I was meant to be dealing with? Yes, I did. I didn't. I won't do anything. There you go. But we should have our frame rate high enough because we're not coding it on a spectrum. Now greater than min and now less than max. That shouldn't happen. Right. I'm wondering why I'm getting loads of the mouse has reached its way over there. What's that doing there? No wonder I'm confused. C line, I'm meant to be trying to help me here. Not putting things in weird places. Okay, so that should build. And it should run. And if I... oh, look at that. I just like a... something. Because I did an or not an and. See, here. They have to overlap in both the x and the y direction. Axes. Here you go, look at you. I'm the green square of... I'm the red square destroyer. And the moment till my health starts to get injured. Oh yeah. How good is that? Oh, look at that. Looks like a raiding group. How we do the time? Cool. Nearly 11 o'clock at night, and we've got collisions working. Very badly formed collisions. My favourite type of collision is, because you know everyone should have their favourite type of collision, separation on axes. I like that. It's simple, easy to understand. It's not that simple. It takes a pain to get right. But it's once you've done it, it's easy to understand. The concept's easy to understand, shall we say. And, you know, it would only take me 3 nights to get it right, I'd imagine. There's other types. That's a what's they call them? They call them broad phase collision detection, and fine phase. I don't really know. High frequency, slow. If you want slow, you wouldn't have a broad phase collision detection. This is good enough for us, and that's all we need. We only need collisions between the player and the baddie. We don't want any response. It does occur to me that I'm doing this in a fairly... I'm not putting methods on my data structures. That's kind of deliberate. To make sure nothing changed. All working. Right, what next? Well, can we do an energy bar? Why not? Layer health. Max. Oh no, you don't have you. Const expression. Int equals 100. Right, so one, I could use a decrement, minus minus, but I'm probably going to change that to a 2, a 3, a 5. Well, draw the health bar. And we don't need to, yes we do, we can do that again. X is 5, Y is 5, width is player health, which does not need a cast, and height is 10, say. Will this work? Yeah, you can see it going down. I guess that's got to 0. Oh, it's gone off to... Let's do this properly. C++ you can function overload. Float. Int. might use because float. Float. Okay, and where are we going next? Here. Player health equals clamp. Player health -1. What do we want? Declare being 0 and health max. Not that we're going to replenish our health, but we need a maximum value. Might be better to limit it. Do we use limit? Do we? Cool. Health has died. We died. Work? I can't believe that worked. Boom, 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 boom. Dead. That's better. Get hit by bigger ones, you get slightly more energy, but not too much. Okay, collision detection done. Along with response. And nothing else to do. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. That's good. What do we have left to do? We've got text to do. I'm not doing text SDL today. Not doing text today. SDL doesn't have much support for text. It has a SDL TTF, texture true type font, no, true type font, true TTF support in a separate library. We won't be using that. We'll probably use the SBT Sean Power. See if we can bring that onto a. We will probably use this website. It's 11 o'clock, so I'm going to stop this very short impromptu stream. No, that doesn't look right. What's going on here? Checking headers, Java. STB. Single header. Come on, Cozy, you can do this. Some sort of weird dating site. Here we go. Why would I want something over there? We will use not easy font. True type. STB true type. Parse, decode, rasterize characters. There is some code I will nab off the web, or maybe I've already written some code somewhere that we will quickly nab to integrate it. I recall it not being the most fun thing to integrate. Maybe it's my lack of skills in text, but once we do that, we will then write a quick layout and maybe even support kerning, and we shall add some text like game over, you died. We also need a, where are you? We will need a time up here to be counting, so 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And then we have difficulty, screens, tons to do. And building it for the web. But I think I'm good there. It's 11 o'clock. I'm actually a bit hungry. Did quite a lot of running today. Away from the red squares that are going around in my head. And, no, seriously, here we go. We are doing so badly encapsulating this. Is, what are we at? 310 lines. We have a semblance of a game. We haven't died yet. We need to put some screens in. No point dying unless you have a you died screen and yeah, all sorts of fun stuff. Screens will have an update and an addition. That's when we have screens, we shall get rid of a lot of the state out of the run command. Run function command, not a function. It is a function, not a command. I've got to say, disappointing news. One of the features in C++ 20 I was really looking forward to was these things, name designated initializer things, and they're a pain. I mean, take that out, and look, it doesn't build anymore. Missing initializer field. I get what they're doing, they're making it, they are improving C++, but when you see them in other languages like C, it doesn't specify the order of the list. If you miss something, it gets default initialized. Why can't it do that here? I understand why, but Rust is very similar as well. Why can't you do that here? You can't. Never mind. Where are we? We updated our player motion, so it actually works. We warp ourselves, so we're centre of the screen. Got some other stuff going on. Player health max, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day, and I should see you for the next stream, which I don't know when that will be, but sometime soon, maybe. Who knows? Right. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.